We got our soccer ball. We did it. Oh my gosh, now we're gonna head north. Woo. Emotional support soccer ball. We got it. What's the name of the volleyball from what's it? From Castaway? I want to say Lewis. That's not right. I love Prosecco. Yes. I love anything sparkling. Wilson! We got Wilson, guys. We got Wilson. We found him. I can't believe it. But I can believe it, though. Because legitimately, I just set it down right before doing the tasting and left it behind. Yay! Thank you for entering the giveaway. Rob, tell us about yourself. Where are you from? What are some things you love? Wilson. But what should we name this one? Because it's MLS Club Match Ball Replica. I wonder if they let Tom Hanks keep that ball. I wonder. Forgotten. LOL. Oh, guys. Starting to get a little tired. Isn't that wild? Wonder how far I've walked today. Not that far. Michigan, suburban Detroit area. Only time I've ever been to Detroit is when I've been in the airport, which I'm sure you've heard many times. Oh my gosh. What a cute little baby. Can I say hi?
I bought him from Shanghai City.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a lot of documentation work. And the
thank you.
CDC is a very crazy.
Thank you so much. So cute.
Yeah, CDC is so crazy. And
Oh.
they stipulate us only landing one of 6 airports.
Oh, wild.
So because this kind of stipulation,
Yeah?
so I did a lot of work in documentation, vaccination, stipulation.
I've been looking to bring my 2 cats with me to Japan.
Yeah.
Because I worked at Tokyo Disneyland.
Yeah.
And I'd love to go back, but
Yeah.
you're right, so much documentation, so much vaccination.
Yeah.
But so glad you have your friend here with you.
Yeah.
Aw.
The trip was very stressful.
Oh,
Bloody
goodness.
stressful.
Well,
Yeah.
I'm so glad you both have made it, and I hope you enjoy New York.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Have a good one. Bye. What a good baby. Aw, I didn't realize he was talking to me at first. I thought he was on the phone. Oh, but he's so sweet. We've got art in here. Oh my gosh, look at the horsies. Kiss on the cheek. It's 1:30. Oh my God, Charlie, go to bed. Go to bed. Hell, Michigan, northwest of Detroit. Yes. Oh, please do. Oh, and I love the lights on the tree. That was... I'm so sorry. I felt so bad because I didn't understand. So I was like, oh, is he saying no? But what a beautiful evening. Okay, so Cha-Cha Matcha. I've always wanted to go into one of these. We really should go next time. They're closed right now. But it's a cute little matcha shop. And I'd love to get like a strawberry matcha. I love strawberry matcha. I think it's so good. Beautiful latte. Beauty blend, vanilla bean, honey, and choice of milk. Oh, that sounds good. I don't know what beauty blend is. And then we've got matcha lattes, matcha water, matcha latte, matcha